Good afternoon. Today, families and crews are cleaning up a mess in southeastern New Mexico after a powerful storm left a lot of damage behind. News 13's Allison Martinez shows you the cleanup in Portales.
Trees uprooted, streets flooded, and debris scattered everywhere. The aftermath of last night's straight-line winds that swept through Portales.
We've lived out here 25 years. I've never seen anything move this fast.
The Nichols family was out and about picking up the pieces today.
My gardens are shredded. I got a corn patch. It's a stick patch now, and all our squash is destroyed. But this is a weird one for this time of the year. We don't normally get them this bad.
The family was caught off guard by last night's storm, and they weren't alone.
We were out there playing, and we came in, and my husband had put a mattress against the back door. We had to put towels and blankets up against the windows so the water would not run in.
Not only did Cindy and her family lose power, but they had to be escorted away from their house by an ambulance because of the flooding.
Horrible. I was terrified.
And with school starting Monday, the county has a large task on their hand, cleaning up damages from companies like this. Luckily, there was a lot of help from the community.
So we've been assessing the damage and trying to get an idea of exactly how wide the scope of the storm was.
The county is also assessing more than 12 miles of roads damaged by the storm, but they know there's more damage out there.
And we want to encourage them to report that to our road department or to county administration so that we can make sure that everything's added on the list. We've got a lot of work to do to get school bus routes ready for Monday. So,
in Portales, Allison Martinez, KRQE News 13.
The Roosevelt County Electrical Co-op wasn't able to get back to us with the number of people left without electricity from the storm, but they are working to restore power and fix downed power lines. And